Hello friends. I know you all and I know how busy and stressed in life you all are. That's why I thought I will say hello to you and speak to you as I care about the well-being of humanity. I know that many of you wanted to do lot of good things and are not able to or not doing them due to your chosen busy schedules in pursuit of your preferred livelihoods and lifestyles. I also know that you have many concerns and troubles to face and resolve in your lives. I am here to give good news to help you all. While long ago, I gave the mankind a universal treatise for enlightened living in the form of the Holy Gita, not many seem to have approached or leveraged that infinite wisdom as they may have thought it's a profound religious philosophy and an old-age spiritual pursuit. But you got to first approach, study and apply to know how practical a manual of life that it is to actually benefit from it. I did provide a one-stop solution to all your concerns and troubles, hence you can't blame me for anything or ask me ever. O God, why hast thou forsaken me? I not only revealed the Holy Gita, but also provided several of my disciples to interpret it in many easy ways to reach out to maximum people. One such discerning disciple of mine has recently come up with the world's first interactive practical application of the Holy Gita for holistic work-life balance and integrated well-being. Through this unique application, you can identify and address a host of frequently asked concerns and troubles facts with an adept practical interpretation by Dr.Shriram, who is a new age work-life guru and a practical Vedantin, founder and chief curator of IKS Academy. Karma Yoga is the central theme of my teachings. Action, righteous action and action with perfection is excellence. The best way to achieve excellence in all walks and pursuits of life is for you to act and transform yourself by yourself. Better late than never. It is very simple and practical. I would encourage you all to use this unique opportunity to go to Gita on the www.xacademy.in website and benefit from the practical utility of its application. And for a free psycho-spiritual consultation related to any of your expressed concerns and troubles, adeptly interpreted by Dr. Shriram. I am with you. Are you with me? Wish you all the best and stay blessed.